Alright, so this is my Thermo Pride wood burning furnace. It's from the 1970s. It was built into the house. It's a 5-gallon bucket for reference. It's very large. It was built into the house, as I said. And later on, this wall was here originally, and they had to bust out this part to put it in. And then they constructed that wall later. We'll go around to the other side and look to show you what that looks like. It has a gigantic wood capacity. Like, you can't really see in there, but you can fit a ton of wood in there. And when I was a kid, we would fill that thing up a couple of times during the night and make a really inefficient fire. And Ruby wants to show you her toy. We'll go around to the other side. It's plumbed into the central air system. It's an air-to-air heat exchange, which is incredibly inefficient. You can see the chimney exiting there, and you may or may not be able to see the fan down below. But I would like to know some options on removing this thing and replacing it with something more efficient. And I'm not sure what to do other than cut it out piece by piece and just go in a completely different direction. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would love some professional or non-professional feedback on what the best thing to do with this beast is.